I'm in Vanuatu, and today we're having Navara. It looks like this, and it's coconuts that have sprouted.
Okay, you just...
Okay.
Okay.
What? I have a crack.
Just go through like... Wow. It has a sweet taste, chewing it together with the nuts. Sorry.
Can you imagine that we don't do this in Ghana? Okay, I'm gonna have a taste. It's so good. It's like fluffy. It's like eating a fluffy coconut. And very juicy as well. What?
And then that, you can eat that.
My mind is blown. Now apparently you can eat the inside of the stem, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try it. Crazy.